Hi guys, welcome to the channel. She is Princesa and there is Aria. Today we are talking about Princesa. Who is Princesa? What kind of breed? She is a walrus. Yes, I know. You are imagining that like a lion sea, but no. She is a mix between Hound and Shar-pei. We took Aria in 2022. After that, we always receive advertising from the pet store. Sometimes we look around to see the puppies, but at that moment we didn't want another dog because Aria was a puppy. We need time. Honestly, we didn't want another dog. We want only Aria. But one day brought our attention and we saw Princesa, the list, but the thing that brought our attention was the name of the breed, was walrus. We didn't know anything about walrus. So month later, we never saw again in the list. But was very weird when in January 2023, we saw her again. She came back to the store. So at that moment, we knew that something happened with her, and we decided to go to the store to meet her. And the other thing that the price was dropped like 80%. And my husband told me this thought who the word for her in the future will be produce more puppies. Sounds funny, but it's the truth. So we went to the store, we saw her, it was love immediately. She was very nervous, anxious. Her behavior was different to the other puppies. And the first thing that we asked was the reason why she was removed from the list. And she was sick. She had an eye surgery. She needs like a 3 months for recover. And we decided to keep her the same day. She has been the perfect sister for Aria. She's very friendly, loyal, quiet, intelligent, and it's so beautiful. I have to confess that at the beginning it wasn't easy to have 2 dogs in home because they always fight, but this is the way that they play, fighting. And we went to a training not for the dogs, for us as a family, to know how to take care of them, to know what can we do and what can we do. And also we always to try to know about their breed because it's important to know the nature and the purpose of the dog to understand the behavior. Now she is more confident, she's very obedient, she loves our daily walks. She played a lot, but in general she is a good dog. I hope you are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. I see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.